Hello guys, welcome. Hope y'all having a blessed and prosperous day. On today's video, I am going out bargain. On yesterday, Aldi's was supposed to open up in Bluffton, right by Hobby Lobby. Going to Aldi's first. So y'all come along with me. And I hope today y'all having a blessed day. Say hi. Say hi. Wait. Say hi. Friends, I am in a new store, so it is really noisy, but I'm going to take you along. And also, this is my grocery haul for today. Friends, this is a grocery haul with Southern Wife Everyday Life. She's our host, and on her channel, she do a lot of budget-friendly dinners, shopping hauls, great recipes. So if you want to check her out, her channel link will be in my description box. Thank you so much, Tamara, for hosting this grocery haul. So friends, today me and Aria is just going to do a little bit of shopping. I am so excited that we finally get up all these. Now we are still going to get another one that will be 45 minutes away, but still I enjoy Arby's. I love their budget friendly prices because they got good prices and great deals in a time like this. Ooh, definitely some keto wraps. Just going to take you around the store just a little bit. I just want to show you all the great things they have. Not going to go over all the prices, guys, but I'm just going to share with you all the beautiful things they have. I'm telling you, everything looks so refreshed today. You know, the bread, the meats, the fruits. It is so beautiful. We needed this store. The chips is around $2.35, and you know if you get the name brand now, it's around $2.50 to $3. Some places I'm seeing potato chips for $6. I have been trying to get a whole lot better eating potato chips because I am a snacker. I love potato chips and dip. So I try not to get too much of them, but I love me some potato chips. This store reminds me of a Save-A-Lot. Save-A-Lot is just like Aldi's. I think Aldi's is just a little upgraded than Save-A-Lot, but they got about the same things in it. I just think I like Aldi's better, a little bit better. Like this sign, my belly and my bank account are happy, definitely. As I look around, I don't have a shopping list with me, and I know it's best to have a shopping list when you go into the store, but I'm just going to pick up a few things on today and then later on get the other stuff later on, but just get the necessary things. But I just wanted to stop by and do a little Aldi's haul because I do love me some Aldi's. I'll say it again, I love me some Aldi's. Now this is definitely a good price. I just bought some canned milk from Food Line. They were $1.88. Okay, let me ease on down in this other section. And for some reason, my little granddaughter, she holding on to the cheese. I don't know why. I want to look at some of the grass-fed beef and see how their prices are. All the meats look so good and beautiful. Great prices. But just stick with me. I'm going to show you everything I bought at the very end of the video. And I'll give you my grocery haul price. And this is that grass-fed beef. Great prices on their chicken. The only thing that was still kind of high to me in any store I went is just eggs. So friends, this is what I bought. It's just a small grocery haul. You have the steak, the grass-fed beef, some chicken legs, some chicken wings, which was around $13 for those. And that was a great, great price. I had some donuts for my husband. That was about $3. Some cheese, some canned tomatoes, jar of spaghetti sauce, of course, that evaporated milk. I'm trying these keto wraps for the first time. The spinach, my cucumbers, and they're not that high. I found some crispy Rice Krispies trees, potato chips. I grabbed 2 bags. Tomato paste. Now this fun dip, it was around Valentine's when I bought this, and it was not that high. I think it was $2. Now this haul is a few things from Walmart. And I found a great deal on Walmart chicken. It was a 12-pack, 4 legs, 4 thighs, and 4 wings for only $7 and some change. That was a deal. I bought a couple of those, and I was so surprised. Now, since I've done this video, the eggs at Aldi's have gone down to $3.99. I'm not sure exactly what Walmart is. The last time I checked, they were still high. I did bought these strawberries and this chocolate. I was going to make some strawberry chocolate strawberries, but didn't do it. And you see these Valentine heart things. It was around Valentine's, and I bought those. And I separated my chicken on the end. And this is a recipe I did, guys, for my chicken. And I just want to share that with you on the end. It's an easy, simple, oven-baked, grilled tasting, yummy recipe. So the total price of my grocery was around $126. So I did save some money. I didn't do a great big shopping haul. I just pick up a little here and a little there. And if you're coming from Miss Tamara channel, thank you so much. And I thank everyone for watching. Remember, there is a playlist. Y'all have a blessed day. God bless you from Penny. And I'll see you in my next video. God bless you. Bye-bye.